Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So I wanted to update you guys, okay? In the previous video which I had uploaded, I told that Bitcoin could be going long, okay? So I've confirmed that, okay? By going on the 4 hours, if you see on that 4 hours time frame, okay? So Bitcoin has been showing this cup and handle pattern, okay? Which you can see here, this forms the cup and this the handle, which indicates a long run, basically a bullish market, okay? We can say. So you can see this, basically a cup has been formed over here and a small bearish mark. It leaves a small bearish mark, okay, which confirms the trend, which means that there would be something big happening, okay? So this is what I've studied so far, okay? If I have got anything wrong, please do correct me. I just wanted to update you guys that Bitcoin will be going up, okay? That's the major prediction here. We could forecast saying that Bitcoin could be going long, okay? So do comment below what are your predictions and what forecasts you have thought of. Stay tuned for more.